second gear has more power than my whole fucking bike. So, first impressions, goddamn. This is a lot of bike. And you could see the risers here. Could probably drop the bars just a little bit, like an inch. And change the mirrors, but there's a lot of power. And it just comes on. And I know I sound like a silly person, but this is plenty power for me. Can't imagine more. Then we got these nice Brembo brakes here. This exhaust. Not so bad. Not so bad. The yellow is growing on me. Yeah, right. No way. Hold on. Let me see how to switch into sport mode because I'm a dumbass. So I feel like a complete silly person. I was doing it right all along. I was just not holding the select button long enough. Silly me. But now we get to ride in the sport mode, which is quite exciting. Quite exciting. The only issue, like right now, I don't even want to love this bike because I'm gonna miss my 620. But beyond that, I think there's some potential here. So let's go. I'm gonna turn around, go back up this road. Go slow in front of Paul. You know what I mean? Because we don't need no trouble. And once the Paul is no more, we go. Ladies and gents, 2018 Ducati Monster 821 in sport mode. Let's see. Counted steering. I thought somebody was passing me on the left. That's funny. Ooh. Holy shit. Let me connect my glove here. Wow. I cannot believe this shit. The amount of power for an 821 is kind of insane. Shifted into turn, pretty smart. We have to pass this person savagely because they're not going to let me. Otherwise, yup. Wow. The second gear has more power than my whole fucking bike. Holy shit. I can just legit stay in third. Everything is different, like the footing, the seating. I don't even know what's going on over there. Tower is open. All right. I could technically go down there. Holy manoli. The power is contagious. Nah. People who need a faster bike than this, maybe I'm just a little princess, but I don't think anybody needs a faster bike than this. And what do we got here? A little split in the road. Let's stay behind these folks here. Damn rain. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Hopefully I don't get lost, because that would be most unfortunate. Most unfortunate. Come on, buddy. You can go faster than that. What are you fucking doing? Holy cow. 30 miles per hour, buddy boy. Holy banana. Oh, it'll give me more power to blast past them the second I want to. I'm in second gear going like 40 behind this turkey. Too low. All right. Where the hell are we going? I got all lost. And it's real rain. Alright. I'm gonna pull over and just figure out where it is we are going. Because I feel bad for getting lost on a loaner bike in the rain. Of course it's raining. Should put it back into rain mode, bro. Could do that. Let me just pull over and look on the map where we are, where we be, where we going. What? I can't believe it. I know I keep repeating myself. I can't believe it. The power, the power. Well, it's true. I'll just stop right here for a second. It's totally fine. Totally okay. Yep. What up, bros? Alright, I don't wanna keep rolling, so we'll turn the bike off. Let's turn the bike off.